partners were invited to be part of the nomination, and we are happy. In the last nomination also we were invited, and we were part of the nomination process. It's very nice also to see the way Banaras has changed in the last 5 years. A lot of development has taken place, and I'm sure once again the people of Banaras and the country overall will give their trust and faith on the NDA and under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister. Any alliance can continue to form, but you have to understand that in every coalition or any alliance that you may have, you need to work with an understanding. We don't say that everything is perfect in NDA, but we always ensure that through dialogue and through discussions, whatever concerns and issues come up, we resolve those issues and we find a way to work on it. But when you look at the India alliance, there is no process of resolution. There is a lot of misunderstanding between the partners, and under those circumstances,